All you'll need are a pair of long nose pliers and a Phillips screwdriver. Firstly, remove any items and then the shelves from your door. We need to remove the 2 screws on the door bracket shown here. Once unscrewed, remove the door of the hinge bush you need to replace. Ask for help if the door is heavy. With your long nose pliers, remove the old hinge bush from your door as shown. For the hinge bush to fit correctly, line up the notch on the hinge bush with the hole on the fridge door. Then give it a few taps to ensure it's secured tightly. Now reattach the fridge door, again asking for help if the door is heavy. Rescrew the 2 screws on the metal bracket. Then reattach your shelves and place any items back in the fridge. That's it, your new hinge bush is all set to go.